Hello everybody, my name is Majd Darwish. Today I'm going to talk about an assistive tool for motor impairment, which is HawkEye. So our agenda, first I'll start with the introduction for the software, then how it works, how to install it, then I will talk how to start the application and talk about its features. Finally, I will give a summary about it and the useful links to learn more about this software. So, Hawkeye is, is an application developed by the company Topi Dynavox. It's designed to provide individuals with physical disabilities or limited mobility a way to access and control their computer or mobile devices using only their eyes. This will make them overcome their disability or their limited movement, and they can just control the screen without using their hands or even the mouses. So the application utilizes eye tracking technology, which tracks the movement and position of the user's eyes. This allows the user to navigate through menus, click on icon, type on a virtual keyboard, and perform various other actions on their device, all by simply looking at the desired target on the screen. HawkEye access is typically used by individuals who have conditions such as spinal cord injuries, muscular dystrophy, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or other motor impairments that prevent them from using traditional input methods like mouse or keyboard. Now, how to install this application? Actually, it's very simple. To install it on your iPhone, search for the application HawkEye Access in the App Store. Install it, then start it. That's it. It will start to calibrate your eye tracking, and it will show a dot in different positions on the screen, and you will follow it with your eyes. This will enable the application to calibrate your eye movement. As we can see from these four photos, the application will show this dot, like the blue dots, which we can see in each one of these photos. It will be one by one. So it will start with the first position, then the second, then the third, then X, then etc. So it will choose many angles and many positions in the screen and ask you uh, to look at this uh, dot until the application recognizes your eye positioning. When it finishes from this eye positioning calibration, it will go to the next step, which gives you three options to select an element. So on the screen you can either smile or blink or hold a gaze. It's depend on the individual ability actually. Then it will try to process of scrolling down, up, left and right. So by looking down or up, looking at the right, looking at the left, so it will scroll the screen. When calibration process finished, it will move to the final step, which it will show you a different website to choose and try any of it. At the end, if you faced any difficulty, you can start over the calibration process until you are satisfied. HawkEye application is customizable and can be adjusted to suit the specific needs and abilities of each user. It offers features like dual activation, which allow the user to perform actions by looking at an item for a specified period of time, and gaze selection, which enable the user to select items by looking at them and blinking their eyes. So actually it's very simple and it needs some training to use to use the application. As a summary, HawkEye Access can be installed on a variety of devices, including Windows Computer, Macs, and iOS devices like iPhones and iPad. It provides a way for individuals with limited mobility to access and interact with technology, empowering them to communication, browse the internet, use social media, play games, and perform other tasks that would otherwise be challenging or impossible for them. So in general, it's very useful application and it could solve the problem of many people who has mobility impairments. Here are some links, useful links. The first one is the tool links, how you can find the page where you can install this tool in your iPhone or this one. Then there is a link for my presentation if you need to see it more and and re-study what is offered in this presentation. Then the transcript where you can see the text of this presentation. At the end, I'm offering a suggested presentation which was on YouTube. It can show you a very practical way and show how to calibrate and to work with this application. Thank you very much for listening, and in case you need any extra information, you can contact me on my email darwimaj@sheridancollege.ca. This presentation was about assistive technology in Sheridan College 2023. Thank you again and have a good day.